going to see the complex compounds, some important problems, complex compounds. So V1. So problem number 1. The primary and the secondary valencies of the central metal ion in the given complex. In this given complex, this is the complex. For this complex, primary and secondary valencies. Primary and secondary valency. Primary valency means it is equal to oxidation state. Primary valency equal to oxidation state. So oxidation state of central metal atom cobalt equal to, here go, if you want to calculate cobalt oxidation state, the sum of the oxidation states you calculate plus here ammonia is 6 ammonia, each ammonia is 0, so 6 into 0 plus chlorine is 3, so 3 chlorines, each chlorine is minus 1, we know that minus 1 equal to 0, those the sum of the oxidation states of each element equal to 0. If you simplify this you will get plus 3. So primary valency of cobalt is plus 3 and secondary valency is equal to coordination number. So secondary valency means in the coordination sphere, the number of ligands present, the number of dative bonds, coordination number equal to secondary valency, that is equal to number of dative bonds around central atom, around the central atom. So here there are monodentate ligands, 6 are there. So the ammonia is around the ammonia, 6 ammonias are there. Around the cobalt, 6 ammonias. So 6 dative bonds. So coordination number also 6. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dative bonds. In the complex, there are only 6 dative bonds. So coordination number equal to 6. Coordination number or secondary valence equal to 6. Next to question number 2. The complex compound which does not give precipitate with silver nitrate does not give. So which of the following complex does not give PPT, precipitate with silver nitrate solution? With the silver nitrate solution, if your silver nitrate is added to this solution, in the out of the complex, this is the complex, out of the complex there are 2 halides. It may be chlorine or bromine, anything you can take. You can take particular case, this is the complex. Out of this counter ion, this is called counter ion. There are 2 halogens. So that's why 2 moles of silver nitrate is required, 2 moles of AgCl PPT is formed. 2 moles of AgCl PPT is formed. And here our second complex, this is a coordination sphere. Out of the coordination sphere there are 3 halogens. There are 3 silver nitrates are required to react with this complex and 3 moles of silver chlorides. 3 AgCl precipitate is formed. And complex, option C, if you see, out of the complex only 1 chloride counter ion is there. So that's why 1 silver nitrate is reacted with this complex and forms only 1 AgCl is formed. And the last option, there is no halides out of the complex, no reaction with silver nitrate. So the fourth one option, this is the answer, there is no halogens. So the primary valency of iron complex K4 FeCN6. Here in this complex, iron primary valency is satisfied by primary valency of iron, primary valency of iron satisfied by. If you see, there are 4 potassiums, 4, each one is plus 1. So 4 into plus 1, you will get to plus 4. Then overall plus 4 we are writing. So here cyanides, each one minus 1. 6 into minus 1, minus 6. Here plus 4 is neutralized by here minus 4 charges. Then remaining minus 2 charges belongs to iron. Remaining minus 2 charges neutralized by iron. That means here there are 4 positive charges, 6 negative charges. These 4 positive charges neutralized by 4 negative charges. Then remaining 2 negative charges. So 4 plus charges neutralized by 4 negative charges. Then remaining 2 negative charges neutralized by iron plus 2. So there are 2 cyanide ions. 2 cyanide ions satisfies. That means here iron oxidation state is plus 2. Plus 2 is contributed by 2 cyanide ions. So these 2 cyanide ions neutralizes iron primary valency oxidation state. Next to next question number 4. Arrange increasing order of electrical conductivities. Increasing order of electrical conductivities of these 4 complexes. Here the number of ions increases. The number of counter ions increases. In the case of option 1, there are 4 counter ions. 4 chlorine ions. So this total complex is 1 ion. So 4 plus 1, 5 ions. There is 5 ions. And in the case of second option, there are 3 counter ions and 1 complex. 3 plus 1, 4 ions total here. And next to in the case of 3 option, the counter ion is only 1 chlorine and complex total is 1 ion. So 1 plus 1, only 2 ions. 2 ions. Next to in the fourth option, there are counter ions, 2 potassiums. 2 potassiums mean 2 ions. And this total complex is 1 ion. 2 plus 1, 3 ions. 3 ions. So number of ions directly proportional to electrical conductivity. So 5 ions, 4 ions, 2 ions, 3 ions. So first is which is the more conductivity 1. So increasing order they want, which is leads to option 4 is 3 ions. Option 3 is less ions, then after option 4, then after option 2, then after option 1. In the case of 3, there are 2 ions. In the case of option 4, 3 ions. In the case of option 2, 4 ions. In the case of option 1, 5 ions. So number of ions increases, conductivity increases. So very important one is the oxidation state of iron in brown ring complex. This is called brown ring complex. Your oxidation state of iron, if you see, water is 0, water is a neutral ligand, sulfate is a bidentate binegative ligand, and nitrosyl is a monodentate ligand. It is a +1. In brown ring case it can act as +1. In some cases also act as neutral ligand. It is very important. Nitrosyl, it is a monopositive monodentate in this case. So iron oxidation state, iron plus 5 water, 5 into 0 plus nitrosyl 1, each one +1, plus sulfate ion is 1 is present, each one -2 equal to 0. So that's why here iron oxidation state, if you see here, this is 0 plus 1 -2 equal to 0. Now iron equal to +1 oxidation state. So iron is a +1 oxidation state.